A bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls are there. One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. So find the probability that ball is drawn from bag A. A first bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Second, 2 red and 6 black balls are. One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Which is found to be red. Find the probability that is found to be red ball. Find the probability that it is coming from bag 1 only. So here you can use here we can use Bayes theorem. You can use Bayes theorem. So let us go for writing the steps. The first step, first one. So here let E1 event that selecting bag 1, event that selecting bag 2. Okay, so now you can display next one more thing and another event and and probability of corresponding events. Probability of E1 selecting there are two bags are there 1 by 2. Probability of E2 also 1 by 2. Next, let you can find the you are going to find the probability that drawn ball is from bag 1. So that first you can describe a event that drawn ball is red ball either from bag 1 or bag 2. Either from bag 1 or bag 2. So let us display the thing to get more idea. So bag 1, how many? 4 red, 4 black balls are there. You can select a bag that is P of E1. Okay, and bag 2, 2 red and 6 black balls are there. You can select a bag that is P of E2. So A is an event which is a red ball. So coming from bag 1, coming from bag 2. So that is first P of A given E1. That means I can select a red ball from bag 1. How many red balls are there? 4 by total number of balls 4 by 8. This is P of E2 1 by 2. P of A given E2. This also you can take. So red ball from the bag 2. That is 2 by 8. So 2 by 8 means 1 by 4 you can take. This is also 1 by 2 you can take it here. So this is the basic thing. So which is very much clear about the solving problem. Next, so P of A given E1. So probability that drawn ball is red from bag 1. So what you get here? You got 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. P of A given E2. Probability that drawn ball is red from bag 2. So this what the given 2 by 8. 2 by 8 means 1 by 4 you got it here. So now we are going to take the final step. Here to find P of E1 by A. That is probability that E1 is selecting bag, selecting first bag, selecting first bag and drawn ball is red. So now we can apply Bayes theorem for this case. By Bayes theorem, so P of E1 by A equal to P of E1 into P of A by E1 whole divided by P of E1 into P of A by E1, the total probability. P of E2 into P of A by E2 can solve it. So let us take the steps on next page. So we got P of E1, that is 1 by 2, P of E2 1 by 2, P of A by E1, that is also 1 by 2, P of A by E2, that is, so 2 by 8 means 1 by 4 you got it here. P of E1 by A, that equal to, once again at P of E1, P of A by E1 plus P of E1, P of A by E1 plus P of E2, P of A by E2. So you can substitute the values 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Okay, this is 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. After 1 by 4 by, this will give 8 LCM, this will come 2 plus 1. So finally 1 by 4 into 8 by 3. So 4 1 2, the answer will be 2 by. So probability of drawing a red ball from bag 1, that gives, so 2 by 3 is the right answer for this one. Let us check the answer. 2 by 3 is the answer only.